I don't know if I'll ever have anyone to play soccer with. Blah. Gesundheit. Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know what.
Achoo! Achoo! It's pollen. Achoo!
Gardner Pablo, what's happening to me?
Thanks for coming to my dig.
Achoo!
Bless you. Well, I don't think we're gonna find any dinosaur fossils today.
Achoo!
Bless you.
It's dirty work, Nani, but somebody's got to do it. Achoo!
Oh no!
Achoo!
Too much pepper. Achoo! Did you hear that? It's the mole!
Blossoms smell lovely too. Shoo! Oh no! Not got blow petals on.
Remember, no barking, no scratching. And no sneezing. We made it!
No, George, I don't want to go to bed. I'm going to mail these letters. Okay, you win.
Molto revolto! What's happened?
You seem much better. I wish I could say the same. Thank you, George.
It had been a very sneezy winter. Soon they could see the boys, and they all had stones. "Are you ready, Henry?" said the driver. "Sneeze hard when I tell you." "Now," he said.
Smell them.
Achoo! Achoo!
Pencereci çiçekler. Bu çok güzel.
Do you have a cold, Ripple? Maybe you should stay here.
No way, Jim. I don't want to miss out on this mission.
No sign of plants, but I found some pants.
Bless you.
Thanks. You really think so?
We know so.
Really?
Bless you.
Thanks.
I've already got my ticket.
Marty, our drummer, is feeling sick.
We thought maybe he'd feel better if we got him some fresh air and sunshine up in our balloon.
But he's still sneezing his head off.
I think I need to go to bed.
I don't think this was such a good idea, Howie.
But Ben, they really need our help.
Yeah, I know, but I gotta
Oh no, Ben, you can't. They'll spot us for sure. Then again, that's just what we need.
Achoo!
Oh, Franny, you must be getting a cold. Perhaps we should leave the park for another day.
But I feel fine.